prerequisite, which is willpower, that you are able to start this process, you are able to start this journey. Because until and unless you have no reason to start this journey, you won't be able to proceed further. Yeah, which is Python, database, and maths. So data science, usually people who are into data science practice with with majorly these two languages, which is R and Python. You need to know the basics of Python or R, any language among these two, because these two are very handy for data frame, for data sets. You need to have a basic understanding. After this, maybe the second step is not a mandatory one, that you need to have a knowledge of database, which is SQL. Because what I have seen from my past 4 years, that usually data science practitioner or beginners know SQL. It is not a mandatory step. Then the third step is knowing the maths, the statistics, the probability associated with the machine learning algorithms, analyzing and exploring. You need to have those skills to understand the data, to read the data, to visualize it in a graphical, so that you can get out the conclusions, the insight, or results from that data. After getting these required or very basic knowledge, then comes the machine learning algo parts. What I meant to say here is that you need to know the basic essence of a machine learning algorithm.